Hey guys, so I'm back with my computer and today we are going to learn another interesting topic which is opening web browsers, opening different websites with Python. So first of all, open your Visual Studio Code. We have this code from my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, then you can find the link in the I button now. And if you haven't accessed my Python programming playlist, then you can find the link in the description below. So with that said, let me show you this Explorer menu. So here, as you can see, we have these two files, but what is this folder now? We have another folder which is PyCache. So this folder basically is created whenever you import a module in your file. So here I am importing this email and this password from config.py. So this is my config file and this is my main file. So I'm importing this config.py in my main.py, and that's where my PyCache module has my PyCache folder is now being created. And in this folder you can see config.cpython39.pyc. This 39 is the version of your Python installed on your computer. This config is the name of the file basically. So here, as you can see, we have this file. And what is the use of this file? Long story short, you can consider this file is created for optimizing the performance of your application. So whenever we run our code again, the variables which are again called and all, or the functions which are going which we are going to call again are then memorized, or you can say are then remembered by Python in this PyCache. Okay, so that's all. So now let me delete this file. So I'm going to delete this config.py because it has my email and password, and similarly I will delete this folder as well. Okay, so I have deleted both the files. Now let me clear the program. Let me delete all this code. Now here we have this clean slate. Now to open our web browsers, what we need to do is we need to import a module which is web browser. So this web browser module, you can take a look to this web browser. So web browser is basically interface for launching and remotely controlling web browsers. So we have simple methods here. So web browser dot open, then we have web browser dot open new, and then we have web browser dot open new tab. So this open new and open new tab are basically the same methods. This open new tab will open URL in new page or new tab of the browser. This open new will open the URL in new window, and if it is not possible, if somehow something goes wrong, the program will open the URL which has been provided to the open new function in the browser window, in the only browser window which is available. So you can pass the URL here. So the URL is equal to, or you can simply pass the URL. So let me pass the URL, let's say https colon slash slash, we'll pass github.com. Okay, so now let me comment these two lines, and here we have web browser.open https colon slash slash github.com. Now if I will run the code, here you can see my web browser, which is Google Chrome, my default browser, is now opened, and I am here on this github.com site. So we have opened our GitHub with using our Python program. So that's how we can open our URLs. Now let us consider that we have this this URL opened in our current browser. Now if I want to open, let's say https colon slash slash, I want to open, let's say geeksforgeeks.com. Save it, and now let us run it. So here you can see we have GitHub again opened, and that is why, because we have opened it here on line 3, and whenever we run our code again, That's why whenever we run our code again, this will open this URL in new tab again. So here, as you can see, we have this Geeks for Geeks opened here. Now now let us comment this out and comment this out as well. And here let us add https:// let's say github.com. So we are opening GitHub here, and let's say here I am trying to open let's say apple.in. So we will open these two sites. So first of all we will open our apple.in, and then we will open our github.com in new tab. So we will save it, and whenever I will run it, as you can see, we have two tabs opened, and the first tab is Apple India and the second tab is github.com. So these are the three methods which I wanted to show you. This is basically a very simple code with which you can open websites, with which you can open your with which you can handle or open your URLs, and you can basically handle your URLs in and your browsers. You can open new tab, you can open new window, and you can open the URL simply in basic form. So that was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.